All right. So basically we've got all these ingredients that are in here. Let's see, we got thyme, we got allspice, black pepper, bay leaves. I dropped the Scotch bonnet. This right here is a half of an onion. All right, what else are we going to add to this? The coconut. All right, so I got a heaping tablespoon of coconut powder. I'm going to put in these flavors. These are come together through time. This is the boiling, right? You're going to take it from a boil, reduce it to a simmer, right? And after you reduce it to a simmer, you're just going to leave it for a few hours on a simmer. All right, so this is what it looks like after a few, like this is probably the very most 1 hour, right? And what you're looking for is if you could take a bean, right, and simply press it. You see that? See what just happened? So that bean just, so this bean right now at this point is basically cooked. Okay? And how soft it is, you could go ahead and you taste it. There's a break on the skin. There's certain things that are going on. You know, you can tell there's also a taste that's developed, right? I've got my thyme. I actually, when I first went in, I removed the Scotch bonnet because I don't think I needed it this time. You know, the berries, everything is just nice and brought up. Right, the coconut milk is in there. There is a flavor, there's a smell of coconut that's wafting through my kitchen right now, all these vapors. All right, and what I'm gonna do is, I can tell, believe it or not, just off of this pan alone, knowing the size of my pan, how much, knowing the size of my pan, when I say this, knowing the size of my pan, what's minus, right? Also, what I have in here already, I have an idea that I probably need about 2 cups of rice. And the water's all cloudy and stuff, right? But I should still be able to guesstimate about 2 cups of rice. Time and temperature is basically going to make water absorb into the rice, water absorb into the beans, and give us our finished product. This is it. This is the rice. And you see all that steam comes out of there? So there's no moisture going all the way down. Right? You just old-fashioned rice. That's it. You just here, want to cover it. It's always good for flavor to cover things. Right?